All right, I was gonna log on with Uber Eats, but see what we got here. Oh man, it's snowing. You don't want to put some extra dollar? Come on, man. No dollar, no holla, player. Decline, man. Order too small. All right, let's see what Uber Eats got right now. Ain't nothing wrong with multi-apping, fam. And if I have Grubhub right now, I'm gonna log on too. All right, let's wait a couple of minutes, huh? All right, fam. So the lobby is closed, so it's drive-through only. But there looks like there's no cars, so good thing. This is for Boston Market drive-through.
Thank you for choosing the Boston Market. Please take a minute to look at our menu board and we'll be right.
Sorry, we're closed.
I have a Doordash for Ben. Doordash for Ben.
You can pull it ahead.
In a quarter-mile, turn right onto West Hanford Avenue.
Yeah, the road's really slick, fam. But hey, you know, you gotta go out and make money. It's just I don't have a four-wheel drive. I mean, I know how to drive in the snow, but a two-wheel car doesn't do as well as a four-wheel drive car, you know. And we're 1 minute away from the customer's house. Let's get it, let's get it. All right. Well, if they order through Chipotle on the app, it says it always says handed to customer, but he wanted me to leave at the front door. All right, let's wait for more orders, fam. All right, double order. Know if you guys can see it or not. Double order. Yeah, let's get it, fam. 6 mile for $15.25. 6 mile, $15.25. Let's get it.
Head south on South Vivian Court toward West Hanford Avenue, then turn left onto West Hanford Avenue. Onto West Hanford Avenue. Continue for half a mile.
Hookers on Google Maps. Why does Google have so many fucking apps? I don't know. Good question. Hey Siri, read NPR News.
Here's the latest news.
Live from NPR News, I'm Jack Spear. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is now accepting an advisory panel's recommendation that kids 12 and older should get COVID-19 booster shots. The new policy would make boosters available to 5 million more kids this week. Yours Ping Wong has more.
COVID vaccines have been available to kids 12 to 15 since May, and around half have gotten them. Now, with the explosion of Omicron cases, advisors to the CDC recommend that all vaccinated adolescents 12 and up
7K. All right.
Oliver with CDC says the benefits of vaccines and boosters for adolescents go beyond preventing severe
In
disease.
800 feet, turn left onto South Sim Street.
Improved mental health with more social interactions and prevention of post-COVID conditions. Over 600 kids with COVID are getting hospitalized every day, and that's the highest it's been this whole pandemic. Ping Wong, NPR News.
The fire
Turn
in
left
Flash
onto South Sim
House in
Street.
Philadelphia that killed 12 people, including 8 children. It's being described as the deadliest blaze in that city in at least a century.
Alright fam, pulling up to Dairy Queen. Let's come inside and get these ice cream or whatever they order.
Towards South Kipling Street.
Alright fam, so thing on to the next pickup. Got some ice cream, some Blizzard and stuff. Alright, let's get it. Alright, so this is actually a double stack, but it's to the same customer. Yeah, for the same customer to the same customer. So these double stacks better than the 2 different restaurants to 2 different customer, I guess, because that's one more stop you gotta go to. And it's still snowing because we in Denver. Let's go to the pick up the second one, fam. All right fam, second one is I think a 12 pack of soda. All right, let's come inside and get this thing. All right fam, let's go deliver some ice cream and Dr. Pepper. So this is the VA or something, Department of Veterans, and the instructions is leave at the front door. And when it's leave at the front door, don't try to put it right in front of the door, you know. Hi. Hi, Doordash.
Yeah, I was actually gonna meet. I was waiting.
You're good, you're good. Do you need help getting in the door?
No.
All right, thank you, sir. Have a nice day. All right, first order $7. And it's customer. Second one $9.25. So $16.25 for double stack. That double stack, that was awesome. All right, fam, let's continue on this journey. All right, I was gonna log on with Uber Eats, but see what we got here. Oh man, it's snowing. You don't want to put some extra dollar? Come on, man. No dollar, no holla, player. Decline, man. Order too small. All right, let's see what Uber Eats got right now. Ain't nothing wrong with multi-apping, fam. And if I have Grubhub right now, I'm gonna log on too. All right, let's wait a couple of minutes. Huh? All right, Doordash. What we got? Oh man. Well, let's take it. And let's log out Uber. All right, let's go, fam. Let's go. All right, fam. 12. It's 12 a.m. No, this one's also a handoff. What DU? I'm starting to get hungry too. So I'll probably go get something to eat after this, you know. Well, I don't know. Let me call him. Yeah, the app's been acting up again, you know. So it's always good when they come down. All right, here he is.
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, perfect handoff, fam. Now I think we're gonna get something to eat at the Fat Shack. Maybe I'll record a little bit at the Fat Shack too, huh? All right, let's go back to the car. All right, $8.25 for the last one. $3 tip, not too shabby. $3 peak pay. Base pay is $2.25. All right, let's go get something to eat, fam. See you guys in a minute. All right, fam, so at the Wendy's and they're closed. So I think we just go to the app and say the restaurant is closed. Restaurant is closed. cancel. All right, and thing with Uber, you don't get a half pay. You only get like $3. With Doordash, you get half pay, but you have to call them. So, which like during the dinner rush can be like up to 30 minutes, you know, and sometimes it's not worth it. Time is money during the dinner rush, but it's 1:07 a.m. You know? So I think I'm done for the day, fam. And for some reason this GoPro is recording in slow-mo again, I think. So this one's gonna take a very long time for me to edit. I have to go in and fast forward a clip or something. Yeah, I'm not snowboarding. I'm just doing Doordash and Uber Eats videos. So I think last time I checked, it was some of the clips in slow-mo or something. That's only good if you like doing some action stuff, you know. But let's go over the earnings, shall we? Like I said, with Uber Eats, you don't know the earnings till 24 hours later. So for now, it's like $26.83. See if the tips come in yet. Nah, that's yesterday. Yeah, none of the tips come in yet, fam. Yeah, with the Uber Eats, we don't know the total till 24 hours later. I know it's busy, but you know, it's getting late. I'm getting tired. Driving in the snow is more tiring than you know, than anything, put it that way. All right, so how long did we dash today? I think we've been on since like 8, and now it's 1. So we've been working, turn off the heat, 5 hours. Okay. Yeah, well now it's Thursday morning, but so for the first, every time you log out, it logs in like a new block, you know. So we started out all right, 6 deliveries for that 2-hour block, you know. Here are the earnings. So what is it, that dinner rush, or kind of after dinner rush? Sorry, the phone was slow. 2 hour 2 minutes made 51. Not too shabby, right? And then I've been multi-apping, you know, so 35 minutes 10.50, not bad. 40 minutes 18.75. 40 minutes, that's not too shabby. And with Uber Eats, we don't know until 24 hours later, so I'm guessing it's at least 22 per hour. And Doordash been good, Uber Eats been good. Thanks everybody for helping me to get to 7,000 subscribers. Really appreciate it. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, please smash the like. If you like gig economy, food delivery, later on I will do more rideshare tutorial and stuff, Amazon Flex videos. You know, if you enjoy my content, you know, please subscribe. Have a nice day, fam. Stay warm. I'm gonna go home and try to get some sleep. Peace.